near cannon say, Ghana for you 98, yet empire boy and yet see a bontene, near cannon say, near SC our Ghana and young who be that. And intina most someone who say a PS ada, yen who say yensio, yen who say yensase, yen who say a friend saying a ream, yen who say ensure yen nominate who can say a bedu sabre. Into way dear, and yes, a beer at the MPP and NDC, and I say elections no was them near cannon say Ghana, ye environment na day, I say. I need to my young can was a year boy empire, and yen to be in country denominations. This is Omumbra, Niomuhunu, Niomutino, Omusomunya, Niwasomuye.
Imagine all the animals in the forest. What water are they drinking? Even the bears, what water are they drinking? Then it comes to ourselves. What water are we drinking? So it is our very existence that is at stake. And so to government, it's their responsibility to ensure that the collective good is maintained. So that's why we are telling government that all the laws, we have laws in this country. We have environmental laws in this country. So they must work. Though we are not against mining, but we have to do it responsibly. And anybody that allows irresponsibility is also acting irresponsibly. And that's why we are here praying and asking God to give us this courage, first of all, to resist and to shout out loud to stop this existential threat and this collective suicide we are on. And also to back all those who are against Galamsey, that they are doing the right cause. And so God is with them and to encourage them not to give up.
We are doing this for the whole of Ghana. This is a Catholic Archdiocese of Accra. But we are united from here to Wa, from here to Tamale, from here to Koforidua, from here to Takrade. So as we are doing this, we are doing it on behalf of all the Catholics in Ghana and all the Catholics in the world. And we want to set as an example, as I said, to rescue the world. This is an environmental disaster that we need to put stop to. Not by force, but by prayers.
The Ayashase. Isua yena Yesu no na yepese ema anoe den kakra. Ama mpanimfo a omotumi se omofre ye nyina atwenya adwengyina de yesese Yesu no omate esu ni yie na kakra mbetumi aye no so maya aboa. Yenim se ni nyina engyina aban so. Nti de aban betumi aye no yesese aban nye. De aye nyina so se ye temamufo so se ye no so. Yes, because it is not just the government, it is every citizen of this country. Inti the for ene the empire bonti and yayewie. The Asian Kasankan say Galamsey soon and this Subitra na ye mine afan to my ifra. Inti it's just the beginning. The prayer walk has not even ended. We are going to end with the biggest prayer of all, which is the Holy Mass, asking that the blood of Christ, which was poured on Calvary for the salvation of all creation, will then have its proper effect on our land. Yes, the prayer session it's yet to end, but what we want has not ended yet, which is the ending of Galamsey. Sorry, no any nimpenim for Yakasa. The Cali Bishops Conference issue not less than 9 communiques on Galamsey. In Tisebi, Omamukase Asono, Efeli, Omano, Sebia, Ebia, or say you follow history, Kakra. Because Yakasa, even last month, you addressing media with a particular statement. Inti Kasa ni Yakasa, Yama Yenipenifosha Kasa. And I say there was another high-level event. The Cali Bishop Conference collaborated with IDEC and CFI, the Civic Forum Initiative. I can text by near Bekasaye, Efa, Yamai, who any Galamsey. Inti yebi now so asori penny for nkwa entumi nye. Inti ye kasa ne ye de betumi no na ye sere so se timemfo no so omo betie na kakra obia betumi aye. Omo a omutu Galamsey na nkasa omo mu hye chire what we call, alternative livelihood that we provided for people. We haven't failed. That I can agree. There's still room for improvement, so that we agree. But we haven't been silent. The church hasn't been silent. It is praying. It is acting behind the screens, talking to people of influence, duty bearers, and hoping that together, everyone who is involved will wake up and do something to save our country. Because I didn't say, beyond the fact that this is an environmental problem, beyond the fact that it's a social problem, beyond the fact that it is an economic problem, it is also a national security issue. Everybody has a stake in building it up. That is our call to everybody. Everybody must do their bit to make sure that we save this environment. Because, as I always say, Ghana is the only country that we have. We cannot destroy it and hope that somebody else will come and make it better for us. This is not a political issue. The survival of our country is at stake. And beyond that, we must speak about the intergenerational, responsibility. You must hope that so if we are living today and not living responsibly, then we are not living in the hope of the perpetuity of Ghana. So let us all work and live as if we believe in our hearts that we want Ghana to live beyond today.
Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Amen.
It's a collective exercise. It's not going to end just today. This is one section of the Ghanaian population that has decided to join the fight against Galamsey. And like I say, any group that comes out on this national interest, you can be sure that we are going to be there to match with the people.
Catholico hama kode metegbe. Oh, Catholico hama kode metegbe. Roma Catholico hama kode metegbe. Amen.
The traditional foods are no starch and carbohydrates. Ewo mu bebre. But true green food, yes, starch and carbohydrates, kids way be na womb. Very healthy. A woman who buy free yare to say diabetes, kidney failure, cholesterol, hypertension, cancer, any near kekakikamo. True green food, or more breakfast options to say cocoa, Tom Brown, oatmeal, any near kekakikamo.
True green food.
Oh yes, our products now 100% organic and natural. So we here be to me deliver my baby a
Me did the young antechua, and maybe I'm discover for Europe. I come bushing for Ghana. No, me used to tap send, tap send. No fee mobile money transfer. Easy, convenient, fast, and sounds so free. Won't you share? Me discover map him tap send. Intienne, also download the tap send app no ever mobile phone so free. Na first ka komo abusuya for Ghana fa na nyina. Tap send. Papa no.
Hello, love.
Gary, do you have Mommy's parcel for her big day?
The shipping company says it will take 1 month.
A month?
Gary, use Rapid.
Rapid?
Rapid courier ships from the United States to Ghana and 9 other African countries within 3 to 5 days. Log on to rapidgroup.com, buy, ship to us, and we deliver right to your doorstep.
That fast?
Yes, that's Rapid for you. Can you sign this?
I thought you only ordered Mommy's parcel.
No, I ordered a few car parts too.
Are you too busy to shop? We will shop for you. Rapid also has a luggage delivery service, so you can make that extra luggage and we will deliver at the lowest rate.
Rapid Courier. Just shop. We deliver. Enjoy.
Malata African market and I'm Papa African market.
Order for so blonze ha. Now open African market Papa Didra. Mwakuma to yemu dia. Malata African market edem sronko. Smoked fish, meat, dry fish, sa upe kenki, rice, yam, fufu flour ni nnuane ahodo a free Africa. Afei, ye want to ma papa. Bowire kente, adawomase kente, ahweni ahodo. Ani nneoma bebre na wobenya wo Malata African market. Hwehwe ye chi akwan ene number e wo screen so. Malata African market mu King Kong.
Malata African market and I'm Papa African market. Malata African market.
At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your